Hello friends and welcome back to our channel. Guys, if you want to remove the background of your video in Canva application, then this video is helpful for you. Because in this video I will show you how to remove the background or green screen from your video in Canva application in just few simple steps. So without wasting your time, let's get started. First of all, open your Canva application, and after that you have to select the video size. If you want to make portrait video, then click on mobile video. Otherwise you have to click on video here. So from here you can select video, and here it will provide you different options. These are pre-made or ready-made templates. You can select any template. In my case, I don't want to select any of this template. I want to select only blank canvas, so click on blank plus icon, and here you can see our blank canvas has been added. So now we have to upload our video from where we want to remove the chroma key or green screen. So click on upload, and from here you can upload your video. In my case, I have already uploaded the video, so I will just click on video, and here click on video. You can see this is my green screen video, so I will select on this video, and from here you can select or adjust the size of your video whatever you want. For example, I want to adjust this video to, so after that we have to remove the background. So I will click on effects, and here you can see background remover. But keep in mind, this option is only available for Canva Pro users. So if you are Canva Pro user, then this technique will work for you. Otherwise, if you are a free user, then this video would not be helpful for you. By the way, if you want to buy Canva Pro, then you can contact us. We have provided the number. You can contact us on WhatsApp. We will provide you Canva Pro application in very cheap or reasonable prices. So click on background remover, and it takes some time, and you can see Canva has very accurately removed the background or green screen from our video. So I click on play, and you can see it has very finely removed the background of this video. It also depends upon the background of your video. If your background is not much clear, then your green screen would not be accurately removed. But in my case, my background is very accurately green, so it has accurately removed the background. So after that, click on share and click on download, and from here you can select the size of your video. Okay, and here you can download. So it takes some time, and it depends upon your internet speed. If your internet speed is high, then it takes little bit seconds. So we wait for it. So Canva has successfully exported our video. I will show you how it works. So you can see here our video is available. You can see Canva has very finely removed the background of this video. So guys, in this way you can remove the background of any video in Canva Pro video editor very easily. So if this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.